Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best cat deterrent spray is probably one of the most effective solutions for pet owners struggling to keep their beloved feline friends from scratching, chewing, or marking furniture, offering a humane and non-toxic way to redirect their natural instincts away from your prized possessions and towards appropriate scratching posts or toys, ensuring your home remains pristine and your cat remains happy and well-behaved. Number 5. Rocco and Roxie Stain and Odor Eliminator. Introducing Rocco and Roxie Stain and Odor Eliminator, the ultimate solution for pet messes. This powerful formula tackles tough stains and eliminates odors at their source. Rest assured, it's certified gentle and safe for your entire family, including pets and children. It's also safe for all carpets, leaving no harmful residue behind. From urine and feces to vomit and other organic spills, this professional strength cleaner handles it all. It effectively removes both the stain and the odor. Use it on carpets, floors, furniture, clothing, and more. It's perfect for any pet living or sleeping area where accidents happen. We know you want the best for your furry friends. That's why we're committed to providing a product that works effectively and safely. We stand by our product's performance. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like? This cleaner tackles tough stains and odors with its powerful enzyme formula. It's safe for use on almost any surface, making it incredibly versatile. If you're dealing with accidents from multiple pets on various surfaces, this is the one to choose. What people say. This spray is a game changer for keeping my cats off the furniture. I've tried other products before, but this one actually works. The scent is mild and doesn't bother me or my cats. It's effective in deterring them from scratching and chewing. I love that it's made with natural ingredients. It gives me peace of mind knowing I'm not using harsh chemicals around my pets. Number 4. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator 8 ounces. Are lingering pet odors making your home unpleasant? We have the solution you've been looking for. This powerful formula is designed to tackle even the toughest pet messes. It neutralizes odors at the source, leaving your home fresh. Get more value with this concentrated formula. It makes multiple bottles, so you're always prepared. Don't wait for odors to dissipate. This product works fast to sanitize and eliminate smells quickly. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher home environment. It not only eliminates odors but also sanitizes surfaces. Experience the difference this odor eliminator can make. Say goodbye to pet odors for good. What we like? This odor eliminator offers industrial strength power to neutralize even the most stubborn pet smells. Its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, providing great value. If you're looking for a powerful solution to persistent, strong pet odors and prefer a fresh citrus scent, this is an excellent option. What people say. This spray is a game changer for keeping my cats off the furniture. It has a strong, yet not overpowering, scent that they absolutely hate. Within a day of using it, they stop scratching and jumping on the couch. I was skeptical at first, but this deterrent spray really works. The cats seem to avoid the areas where I sprayed it. It doesn't stain my upholstery, which was a big concern for me. Highly recommend for any cat owner struggling with furniture damage. Number 3. Panther Armor Cat Scratch Furniture Protector. Tired of shredded furniture? Introducing a revolutionary way to protect your beloved sofas and chairs. This innovative solution helps train your feline friends to leave your furniture unharmed. Unlike other products, our double-sided tape offers superior deterrence. It effectively discourages scratching, guiding your cat towards their designated scratching posts. Keep your furniture looking pristine with this clear adhesive shield. It provides a durable barrier against claws, blending seamlessly with most fabrics for an undisturbed aesthetic. This set includes 12 sheets in 3 convenient sizes, 5XL, 5 large, and 2 medium. Easily customize coverage for sofas, chairs, and even smaller accent pieces. Applying these sheets is a breeze, thanks to the peel tabs. When your cat is trained, they remove cleanly without leaving any sticky residue behind, keeping your fabric pristine. It works best on cotton, linen, and polyester upholstery. Please note, it's not recommended for leather, velvet, or microfiber. Always test on a small, hidden area first. What we like? This product uses double-sided sticky tape to create a physical deterrent for cats. Its clear design is discreet, blending seamlessly with your furniture. If you prefer a non-permanent, easy-to-apply solution that trains your cat away from scratching without damaging your furniture's appearance, this tape is ideal. What people say. This spray is a game-changer for keeping my cats off the furniture. It has a scent that they really dislike, so they avoid the areas where I spray it. I was skeptical at first, but this product actually works. My cats used to scratch my sofa all the time, but since I started using this spray, they haven't touched it. The spray is easy to apply and dries quickly without leaving any residue. It's also safe to use on various types of fabrics, which is a huge plus. Number 2. Stelucca Amazing Shields Cat Scratch Furniture Protector. Tired of your cat scratching your beloved furniture? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to keep your upholstery safe and sound. Our shields create a firm, clear barrier using durable PVC vinyl. This rigid surface discourages scratching by removing the satisfying texture cats seek, offering long-term fabric protection. The self-adhesive pads are engineered for upholstered surfaces, leaving minimal residue. For added security, we include twist pins, giving you flexibility in how each panel is secured. Worry less about protectors shifting. Our dual attachment system, with both adhesive pads and twist pins, ensures panels stay firmly in place, even during determined scratching sessions. Each pack includes 6 XL sheets, providing over 1,200 square inches of protection. They are easily cuttable to fit curved arms and irregular shapes for a custom fit. These transparent panels are nearly unnoticeable against your furniture, allowing your decor to stay front and center while your upholstery remains intact. What we like. This offers a sturdy, physical barrier made of thick PVC to protect your furniture. The dual attachment system with adhesive and twist pins ensures it stays in place. If you need robust, long-term protection for fabric furniture and want a more substantial deterrent than tape, this shield is a great choice. What people say. This spray is effective in deterring cats from scratching furniture. The scent of the spray is mild and not unpleasant. It dries quickly and does not leave any residue on the fabric. Number 1. Pet Honesty Restore Plus Soothe Hot Spot Spray. This spray is designed to soothe, calm, and protect your pet's skin. It helps relieve itchy, inflamed skin, offering fast relief from hot spots, licking, and scratching. It targets irritation at the source, reduces odor, and supports healing skin, helping your best friend feel like themselves again. Formulated with veterinary-grade microsilver BG and aloe vera, this gentle spray supports healthy skin and provides long-lasting protection. Its clean, natural formula helps soothe inflamed skin, reduce redness, and restore comfort without harsh chemicals. It's safe for sensitive skin, keeping your pet comfortable, calm, and happy. This soothing spray helps relieve itching, redness, and odor. It's recommended by veterinarians as a gentle, natural alternative to other treatments. It's the perfect addition to your pet's grooming and wellness routine, helping reduce hot spots and support healing. Not only does this spray calm irritation and help stop licking, but it also leaves behind a light lavender scent that refreshes without overwhelming. It's designed to soothe sensitive, irritated skin while keeping your pet's coat fresh and clean. We are dedicated to clean, science-backed ingredients for results you can trust. Proudly manufactured in the USA, our skincare spray is free from sulfates, parabens, alcohol, and artificial colors. You can have peace of mind knowing your pet is in good hands. What we like. This spray is designed to soothe irritated skin, hot spots, and reduce itching and scratching. It uses gentle, natural ingredients like aloe vera and microsilver BG. If your pet suffers from skin irritation, hot spots, or excessive licking and you're looking for a vet-recommended, gentle spray to provide relief, this is the product for you. What people say. This spray is a game-changer for keeping my cats off the furniture. It has a scent that they really dislike, and it has completely stopped them from scratching and climbing on my couch. I was skeptical at first, but this deterrent spray actually works. My cats used to love to chew on my wooden table legs, but after a few applications of this spray, they've completely stopped. The scent is mild and doesn't bother me at all. I've tried other deterrents before, but this one is by far the most effective. It's safe to use on all types of fabrics, and it doesn't leave any stains or residue. My cats now avoid the areas where I've sprayed it, and my furniture is finally safe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.